Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, it is a quiet day in the crypto world. And yes, I'm in my kitchen having an espresso at 10 p.m. here in Melbourne, which is insane. I've had a very chaotic day at the office today. Because everyone's slowly tricking back into work, ladies and gentlemen, after the Christmas break. Anyway, we've got updates in relation to BlackRock and JP Morgan making a move on 7.5 million XRP, which is interesting as well. The XRP ledger has finally grown to 5 million accounts, which is not a lot compared to the whole planet. But that just means it's more for the XRP army. Very, very bullish. And again, BlackRock news. We've got spot Bitcoin ETF news. There's a lot happening here. And JP Morgan apparently seeing a massive surge in capital going into crypto, which is something that Jamie Dimon probably wouldn't like. Anyway, I'm also going to go over my 3 commas trading bots on OKX. Bullish as anything, making some nice gains today. I'm currently watching them on my other computer. We're going to go through all of that, ladies and gentlemen, and obviously my favorite altcoins. Let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Let's go straight to the community tab today. These are some of the profits this morning. This was literally 14 hours ago. It's changed since then. The market was extremely quiet. I do have this all in the Wall Street Bull University, so make sure you join up to the Patreon. It is linked below. You will not regret it. $43 this morning and 1,476 obviously in the week, which is bullish as anything. Now, we do have the top altcoins here. We have Sia Coin, Acro, Cspr, which everyone's really bullish on. That's 74%. Nice. Nextra and Electronium, part of the Digital Pound Foundation. Now, this one's getting a lot of attention on my page. Look, I just put it up here for a bit of fun, but there was apparently, and probably just fake news here, but this is crazy stuff. What is that? That is 25 billion XRP moved from an unknown wallet to Bitfinex. I'd highly doubt that, but anyway, it's some stupid amount of money. $14.8 billion. Wow. Anyway, I would love for that to go into my account, because that would set everybody up for life now, wouldn't it? Anyway, do have BlackRock news. They have updated their holdings on their website, which is bullish, but they currently hold, they call them shares because, you know, we're dealing with traditional Wall Street here, 11,439 Bitcoin, which again is probably increased anyway. I think it was 11,500 at some stage today, but that is bullish as anything. The total value is $497 million. They don't have quite as much as Michael Saylor, though. I will put that on the table. And interestingly, again, Kathy Woods from ARK Invests projections for 2030. Let me just lower my seat here so I can see everyone. There we go. Again, bear case is 258K. $1,000 in that would become 5,900, which is still nice. Base case is 682. $1,000 invested in that would equal 15,686. Again, that is very, very bullish. Bull case is $1.4 million for Bitcoin. $1,000 will turn into $34,000. Now that is a crazy investment when you think about it. Absolutely incredible. Never say never in crypto, all right? I always say this. Can I have a quick sip of my espresso because I'm exhausted. Still putting out bullish content. Anyway, let's go to coin market cap and see what's going on here. And I think I do have this. No, I've got it set to USD today, which is nice. We've got $1.68 trillion in volume. Again, it is quite low because it is Monday here in Australia. It is coming up to Tuesday, and it's Monday morning in the United States. I think the stock market is closed today, by the way, because I was looking on CNBC. But anyway, 59% on the fear and greed index. We're at neutral right now, so again, a great buying opportunity. The volume is quite low at 53.36 billion. When it starts getting up to the $130, $150 billion level, yeah, we're going to start to get bullish. 49% Bitcoin dominance, 18% Ethereum. A lot of people are saying Ethereum is going to literally outperform Bitcoin, but I doubt that. Again, Bitcoin's trading at $42,549 today. Ethereum's at $2,532. Solana at $95. XRP 57 cents. Incredibly bullish. Doge at 8 cents. We've got DOT at $7.63. Chainlink is at $15. Matic at 86 cents. We've got ICP at $13. Litecoin $70. Scrolling at some other favorites. Optimism is at $3.58. XLM is at 11 cents. Very, very undervalued in my opinion. Hedera, there are some updates with Hbar as well. I have to bring that up on my news, by the way. 7 cents at the moment, which is nice. Scrolling down the graph, 16 cents. ALGO's at 19 cents. Quant, $118 US. Again, I bought this a long time ago, and I'm still up, which is nice. Again, still waiting it to go to 10 to 20K in the next 5 years. We have Axe Infinity at $7.93. Theta at $1. I was buying this and dollar cost averaging it into it around about $14 to $20. So let that one sink in for those of you who are new in this space. IOTA's at 24 cents. Gala at 2 cents. Lunk is, it needs to lose a few zeros. I'm still holding on to that because it was a $100 asset in the previous bull market. XDC at 4 cents. Also, they need to reduce the supply of Lunk. Just putting that out there. And Cspr is sitting at 4 cents. Now, that is an absolute gem. Flare creeping its way up here at 1 cent into the top 100 cryptos, which is really, really nice. Anyway, crypto bubbles quickly. Before I do, I got the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is where I put up my buys, my sells, my trades, my indicators, my day trading bots with 3 commas and OKX. Full instructional videos on how to set this up. I put up all the news before I go live on the channel. I speak to everybody here in the direct messages and in the chat, which is awesome. And my dividend investing, which again is generational wealth stuff, which provides cash flow every single month, and that's slowly building as well, which is really nice. So make sure you join up to the Wall Street Bull University. It is linked below. You don't want to miss this. I've got 1,643 posts, literally posting up there every single day. Nice. And there are currently 859 members in there, which is really incredible. And you can join up. It's $5 US a month, around about $8.50 Aussie. And guys, you're going to get some real value here. It's nothing compared to what people are making with their 3 commas bots. Now, speaking of the 3 commas bots, I am working on a new strategy, which I'm going to be testing out later on this evening. Again, I'm going to be putting that up in the Patreon once I've worked it all out, because they do have a new bot on 3 commas. Really, really nice. It is a strategy bot, which needs to be tested out because you need a good strategy. Once I've got that worked out, it's going straight up in the Patreon, and you'll be able to get access to that. Now, we have the multi-bots currently trading, again, both long and short on an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame, taking 1.5% profits, trading many, many coins. I've got my ISO 222 bot, which again has all of our favorite gems in it. My layer 1 coins, Solana, Neo, Ethereum, of course, all of them. And of course, I'm trading all of the perpetual contracts in multi-bots as well. So there's no need for me to trade single pairs unless you are interested in that. One of my Patreon members also did mention the fact that you could trade probably the top 10 cryptos because there's less volatility. Now, again, that's bullish. You can do that, but it's completely up to you. Now, just want to point out with 3 commas, you can join up using the referral link below. You will get a discount on your membership, so make sure you check that out if you use my referral link. I'm using the monthly subscription, so you will get 10 or 20% off that. I believe it's 10%. Have a look at it. Links are below. Very, very bullish software. And again, I just want to make this clear. Don't go and investing stupid amounts of money because I am trading with leverage. Now, I've upped my leverage from 8x to 10x. I was trading during the crazy Bitcoin uprising probably a few months back now, and I was trading with 15x plus. that got a little bit wild and I was getting liquidation. So I've toned it down from down to 8, then moved it back up to 10 because the market's slowly becoming more stable, which is nice. So let's go to OKX quickly. Current daily gains, 427, which is incredible. A lot of people would have to work a significant amount of hours to earn that kind of money, which is nice. So again, this is all on the Patreon. And on the week, again, 12%, 1,482. Really, really nice to see that. And of course, the 6 months right here is at 60% return. That's $13,300, which is insane. Trading bots allow me to trade multiple positions. I've got 144 open orders and 91 positions currently in trading at the moment. Moving on to trade and my history, you can see the profits that are being made, of course. On 10x leverage, it's $11. This one here on Optimism, which is nice, 36 USDT, $3, $7 USDT, 11, 1. Short positions in profit as well. Long positions, all in profit today. I'd say between at least the 90 to 95% win rate. You do get the liquidation happening, like, this is a minor one here, of course, but it does happen. I would suggest that you go check it out, because if you're not doing this now, it's just madness, because it's making passive income. And I know a lot of other influencers out there are using technical analysis, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's fantastic if you have the time. I'm relying on technology because 3Commerce software is amazing and making me passive income. I don't have to necessarily sit there looking at charts when I want to trade. It just makes life easier. All right, and nobody's talking about it, and I don't really care. For those of you who want to listen, that's up to you. No BS on my channel, as everyone knows. Absolute no bullshit. It's straight to the point. So go check it out. Join the Wall Street Bull University. Again, there is a free membership, but if you're wanting those 3Commerce links to my bots, that you just pay it. I mean, who cares? Whatever. It's up to you. I'll leave it up to you guys. Now, moving on, let's get quickly through the news, because I don't want to keep this video too long. Crypto bubbles again. On the day, Pulse Chain's pumping. Stay the hell away from that. Anything to do with Richard Hart, I'm not interested in. Hex as well. Optimism is a great buying opportunity, in my opinion. I love Optimism. Of course, XRP, XLM, ICP, and Solana, to me, again, is still insanely undervalued. If this has a run up like it did in like Ethereum did in the previous bull market, can go from a few $100s up to 4,500, which is life-changing stuff. So again, I'm not saying that it will happen. There is a possibility. All the charts and analysis that Raoul Powell is putting out are suggesting that. So let's see where this goes with Solana. I'm not going to get too much into that. We have BlackRock and JP Morgan, Jamie Dimon, obviously making 7.5 million XRP move, which is very, very interesting. And according to a tweet by, yes, I'm not going to mention his name, JP Morgan and BlackRock have accumulated 7.5 million XRP. I'm going to verify that and make sure I can confirm that. But the most bullish news today is the XRP ledger has finally hit 5 million accounts, which a few months back, it was around about the 4.6, 4.7 million. So again, it is increasing slowly, but every single month it is increasing. And once they finally end this freaking lawsuit with the SEC, it's going to get absolutely parabolic, in my opinion, with the XRP ledger, and a lot more institutions will be jumping on board. And I honestly believe, there will be an XRP ETF. I really do believe that. And I also do believe that there will be multiple crypto ETFs for maybe the top 10 altcoins. We could have a Cardano one. We could have an XRP one. We could have a Solana one. Again, we know for sure there is going to be an Ethereum one, because all the applicants have made, their proposals to the SEC. Let's see where that one goes. Who knows where all these cryptos are going to go in terms of ETFs, but eventually we're going to end up like with an S&P 500 of ETFs for cryptos, different sectors as well, mind you, as well. Let's see where it goes, ladies and gentlemen. But the XRP ledger has achieved a significant milestone, surpassing 5 million accounts, making a noteworthy moment in its development. The achievement represents approximately 60% in total XRP supply, reflecting the widespread engagement and diverse functionality within the network. It's only the beginning. Cannot wait for them to get real estate going as well. Now, again, Bitcoin ETFs now hold assets under management, $28 billion. I mean, the ETFs were only approved last week. Absolutely insane. This is just the beginning. Assets under management, again, $28 billion, indicating significant growth in its sector. And we have IBIT, of course, BlackRock, and FBTC are leading the pack among the Bitcoin ETFs with assets under management of $500 million and $427 million, respectively. And the recent SEC approvals of Bitcoin ETFs had led to substantial gains in the market volatility, with Bitcoin's price briefly surging, then stabilizing. And this is what I anticipate. There'll be a little bit of stabilization and slowly creeping up, of course, with the Bitcoin halving, which, things start to get a bit crazy after that and flow down through the altcoins. This is what we want to see. Now, very, very nice to see that. Moving on. Again, the Bitcoin price has not been too crash hot, I will be honest, but my bots have been performing, so I don't need to think about that. And I've also hedged my positions by going short as well, so diversification is key here. But this one got me. It's the JP Morgan sees significant capital from existing crypto products pouring into new Bitcoin ETFs. Jamie Dimon would freaking love this, right? Because he's so hateful against crypto. Very, very interesting. But we have the newly created ETFs could attract inflows of up to $36 billion from other crypto products like Grayscale or GBTC, the report said. But it is unclear how much fresh capital the new spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds will attract. It's going to be a lot, but significant funds from other crypto products are expected to pour into JP Morgan, said in a Thursday research report. Unbelievable. And the SEC again approved all of these Bitcoin ETFs as well last week and has been relatively muted, with the focus now shifting on how much capital these ETFs will pull in. Because again, it's all about money and cash flow. And we are skeptical on the optimism shared by many market participants at the moment that a lot of fresh capital will enter the crypto space as a result of the spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. So patience, everyone, patience. Let's have a look at cryptometer.io. Let me refresh this. See where the money's going. Okay, we've got money going into Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin. We have DYDX. We have Injective. We've got AVAX, Aptos. That is a great one to trade. XRP, that is bullish. Haven't seen that one there for a while. And that is it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to X and see what's happening on here. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. There is only one account. Thank you to those 5,955 people. Let's see if we can crack 6,000 people tonight. That is incredible. Thank you very much to all of you. You guys rock. There is a fake account on X that is verified. It is not me. Just pointing that out. You can't fake YouTube. That is for sure. Anyway. Moving on, we've got Jack the Rippler. Thank you for this tweet. BNY Mellon and Ripple are in the same room at Davos. This is incredible. I would love to go there, by the way, and ski, because it looks beautiful, by the way, but some incredible people there as well. Yes, that is me waiting there. Always moving forward, by the way. BlackRock updated their homepage, which I just showed you. Crypto Rover, thank you for this tweet. But the deadline for the Ethereum ETFs is now 130 days away. Very, very nice to see that. And again, they've all made applications. Again, Van Eck, ARK21 Shares, Hashdex, Grayscale, Investco, iShares, Ethereum Trust, and Fidelity, all going for Ethereum ETFs as well. Keep moving down. We've got Rob Kiyosaki putting out some interesting tweets. This one caught my attention this afternoon while I had some time. But there are different reasons why some people are rich, many middle class, and most people are poor and will die poor. One big reason is what a person does in their spare time. I agree. Essentially, since most of us have more spare time than working time, many of my friends will be playing golf in Arizona. Others will be skiing in Aspen. On the 20th and 21st of January, I will be in Vancouver, British Columbia at VRIC, the Vancouver Resources Investor Conference, looking for the best startups in gold and silver mining. He's very bullish on gold and silver. This is one reason why the gaps between the rich, middle class, and poor grows wider. The rich get richer in their spare time. That is facts, right? And I want you to be rich. Please ask yourself, what am I doing next weekend? Gold, silver, and Bitcoin will be hotter than technology or real estate from 2024 onwards. I agree. I'm sick of real estate and I work into it. I'm sick of it. It's a complete sham, and it's a dream that everyone's been shoved down their throats since a young age. Yes, you need a property to live in, of course, but the idea of having a property portfolio, especially in Australia, doesn't make any freaking sense whatsoever. It really doesn't. And the capital growth of that property, and if you add up all of the taxes and all of the rates notices here in Australia that we pay, you're basically getting your money back. It's just stupid. Anyway, key growth areas, again, even get hit harder with this stuff. Moving on. Could go on for hours about that. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 52. Michael Saylor, yes. Have a listen to Larry Fink, by the way.
Anticipating the next move. I would also say on the beginnings of a ETF Bitcoin, we believe ETFs are a technology no different than Bitcoin was a technology for asset storage. We believe the next step going forward will be the tokenization of financial assets. And that means every stock, every bond will have its own, basically, CUSIP. It'll be on one general ledger. Every investor, you and I, will have our own number, our own identification. We could rid ourselves of all issues around illicit activities around bonds and stocks and digital by having a tokenization. But the most importantly thing, we can customize strategies through tokenization that fits every individual. We would have instantaneous settlement. Think about all the costs of settling bonds and stocks. But if you had a tokenization, everything would be immediate because it's just a line item. And so we believe this is a technological transformation for financial assets. I believe if you want to talk about voting and voting choice and all the things, if we know every moment who is the owner of that stock and it's now time to vote, every individual who has ownership is identified and they can vote their own share. And we believe...
He's got a valid point, but one thing that caught my attention was instant settlements. Think about that for a moment. I mean, XRP is prime for that. Anyway, moving on again, we've got Franklin Templeton as well, updating their website, which is bullish. They're all going to be doing that. Now, moving on to the watch list, my favorite coins, of course, are the banking coins. Everyone knows this. This list gets posted up all the time. Again, we've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, AVAX, Link, Hedera, Bullish. There are updates in relation to this. They are starting a foundation to increase, obviously, the activity on the Hedera Hashgraph project, which is bullish. Quant, IOTA, XDC, Cspr, Flare, Salo, WorldCoin, Nextra, LCX, Corium is increasing. I've been speaking about this one for a while. DAG, Energy Web, carbon credits. This is the future right here in front of your face. Anyway, I'm out of here, Bulls. I'm absolutely destroyed, but I'm still putting out content every single day, or trying to anyway, even amongst my chaotic days. But thank you very much to all of you. I really appreciate every single one of you watching my videos every single day. Make sure you join the Wall Street Bull University. It is linked below. Sign up to 3 Commas and OKX, by the way. The referral links are below as well. You will get some incredible deals there as well. So have a good night. Have a good afternoon. Have a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, Bulls. Bye.